Hi everyone. Today we're in Niagara-on-the-Lake and we're at Walker's Country Market, and I just wanted to show you a few cool things they have here, really neat things. So we're gonna go for a little walk through here. It's probably just gonna be a little short walk, and this is located on the Niagara Parkway, just outside of the main area of Niagara-on-the-Lake. But right now we're in the cherry orchard. So I just wanted to show you all the cherries are growing right now. You can see them all here. You see some nice big dark red cherries growing. Look beautiful. So I'm thinking they're probably going to pick those pretty soon. So this goes pretty far down here, I think. Look at all those clusters of delicious cherries. Wow, there's so many growing on this tree. It's like hundreds and hundreds of cherries. Makes me want to pick them and eat them, but I'm not going to do that. See how pretty they look? And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of these cherry trees here. And they've got that flying bird to scare away any other birds that might come and, enjoy the cherries themselves. they're preparing cherry baskets ready to go so you can buy them. Busy day here today along the parkway. Tells you here what they sell: the sweet cherries, strawberries, apricots, raspberries. I think they sell ice cream here. But I wanted to bring you to show you this, the Living Water Wayside Chapel. So it's a tiny little chapel. And I think it has seating for 6 inside, and you can get married here. So they do perform wedding ceremonies here. It's such a cute little place. So a lot of people visit here and take pictures in front of it, or you get a lot of people riding their bikes here to come and enjoy the market for whatever, sandwiches or maybe a drink. They're just taking a break from their bike ride or driving through on their way to visit somewhere. You see people, they have picnic tables set up here. It's really nice. Nice place to stop.
Bob, you're fabulous today. Oh my God. It's different cherries, this one, eh? It's what you give me before, eh? It's yours. Different flavors.
Well, that's gonna do it for today's tour. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks so much for watching, everyone, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.